You want to work with people that are going to understand not only your needs as a company, but your clients' needs. And Medaco did exactly that. They went above and beyond.
In terms of the service users that we've got here, they've got mobility issues and they require a lot of equipment to help with their moving and handling.
One of the main challenges that we had was the turnaround of the equipment.
We had only 2 weeks for the service users to move in, which means we needed the equipment to be done within maybe a week. Medaco doing it in less than 3 days, it really helped us.
At Medaco, we're more than an equipment provider. We deliver good quality products, but it's really the service that comes through.
Collaborative working is how we meet our targets. That's how we provide our services to our residents and service users. To get such quick responses, it made our lives 1,000 times easier, especially trying to move people in a newly acquired house. So that was really, really helpful.
This takes all the risk away from our staff getting injured and also the risk of falls.
It gives service users more independence than when they were going to be spending all the time maybe just in bed or just in their chairs.
This is just the start of a growing relationship for Nisacraft Care and Medaco. From the initial conversation right up until now, everything has been seamless. It wasn't about the sales, it was about making sure that the right product and the right service is actually going to be delivered, and the hoists have been brilliant.
Every single individual that works at Medaco has a passion and motivation to serve this sector, and in every interaction that we have, it's about delivering good value and a personal service.
From the start to the finish, the whole process was amazing.